This house is actually over 3,000 square foot. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're in a location in Hackney today. Cool, check out the size of that door. That's as long as a worktop, guys. If you come in here, check out the first dining area that we have and check out the sort of finish that we've got on this one. It's actually got 2 lounges, so let me take you over to the other side. Before we even come into this room, guys, check out this door. Check out this wall, guys. It's concaved, but so is the door. This is when you really pay attention to the little details when doing a high-end finish for the end client. And that's what we've actually thought about when we've renovated this project, because we're gonna have an affluent family who are gonna be able to afford something around the £2 million mark for this. So follow me. So as we're in the second living room, guys, we've got a lovely fireplace here. Again, we've got a different sort of decor going on here with the finishing of the lights. And something that I want to show you around here, we've got a Daikin air conditioning that actually cools the air and also heats up the whole house. Hercules. Have you ever watched that Disney program? Well, actually, we've got a Hercules door. I didn't know that until I found out today. But basically, this is part of fire regulation, but we've made it quite quirky. And do you know what? Having doors like this actually really do matter when you're thinking about the finish. Because remember, what are you going to be doing in the kitchen? You're going to be cooking and you don't want that smell going all over the house. Before we go any further, I want to show you the flooring. This is actually engineered plank wood that we're actually using. But as we come here, you can see this new styled flooring. And yes, you've seen it here before anyone else. This is micro cement flooring right here, and basically what that means is there's no like flooring finish on top. It's literally just above the underfloor heating, and it actually makes it like a seamless finish. Here we've used a Dutch kitchen maker, Keller. And the reason why we've done that is they're really quirky with their designs in terms of you can pull out all of these trays and it allows you to put a lot more things inside rather than reaching all the way in. Not only that, we have a coffee maker. This is actually something that, you know, you can pull out and you can put your coffee beans on top. This is where you're gonna get a real beaned cup of coffee. Also got a microwave oven here, etc. And we've actually got a tray where you just press it and it actually keeps food warm here for you. You're probably thinking, Sean, where's the extractor fan? Well, we've got a different system going on here where all of the fumes and all of the smokes actually get sucked in underground and straight out of the building. So this is a new design and it actually allows a lot more space and things for your surround sound speakers that we have here. When we're doing projects like this, guys, we actually have floor to ceiling fridge and freezers, because why wouldn't you when you've got a really big 5-bedroom house? And you're probably thinking, well, if you've got all them people in one house, is this enough storage? Well, we've actually got a pantry round the back here. So this is all hidden out of the way, and this is where you can put all of your spices and all of the things that you don't want to be shown on that kitchen outside. And we have hidden our boiler system behind here too. Look at the size of the doors on this project, guys. This allows so much light to be added into this kitchen area, which makes it a lot more spacious. And we always go for one of these big skylights. You don't want to feel the weight of one of them. The garden, we should have cleaned it up before this vlog, guys, but we didn't have enough time. I just wanted to show you what these projects look like. But if you follow me around here, you can see the lovely brick design from here. And this creates a great area for when you want to have some garden parties. Imagine the family playing inside, kids out here, you're having a little barbecue. It creates a lot of inside outside. It's like another room added onto your property. So as you see here, guys, we're not actually gonna go downstairs, but we've got a very large cellar, which you can keep extra things for storage. And over here, we have our washing machine and drying system. This house is so nice that I actually want to take my shoes off before we go up. So follow me. And we've got a lovely trail of carpet out here, goes straight into the engineered wood. So as we come into the first bedroom, guys, we've got a lovely wooden sash window. And the reason why I want to tell you that is you can also get this in PVC, but we always go for wood because when you're selling around £2 million, you always want to ooze that sort of expensive feel, not something which is plasticky and cheap. We've got some nice Italian wardrobes with some nice dust strips here. Got some lovely side lamps, and you know exactly where the bed's going. And we've really thought about exactly where the bedside tables will be, where you're gonna be charging your phone, XYZ. And as we come still on the first floor, we've got a lovely bathroom here with a lovely chrome finish on this one. And here we have the executive suite. What is that? Well, first of all, check out the size of this door, guys. Like, I promise you I'm not short. I'm 5'9", but look how tall that door is. Absolutely oozes an expensive luxury feel. We've gone for a totally different design here, guys, where we've got engineered wood around the corners with a lovely carpet finish, lovely lights around here. And as you can see, we've got a lovely bathroom ensuite, should we say, to this part of the house. And we've got a lovely surprise here, guys. Check out this. This is a fantastic addition to the house in terms of when you're getting ready in the morning, you've got all of these wardrobes. And you're probably thinking, how am I gonna reach up there? Well, you've got this lever that you can just simply pull down, hang your clothes, and it's back exactly where you need it. This allows none of your clothing to get creased up. Imagine getting ready here in the morning, guys. You've got all of your things that in these wardrobes, lovely soft clothes that we have here. And at the same time, imagine putting all your jewelry, choosing whatever watch, rings that you wanna wear. This is like the heightening of being organized and being the most productive. You know exactly where every little thing is. We have a lot of floors in this house. Another feature that I really love in this house are these iron cord radiators. They're actually a lot more energy efficient than your normal radiators, and they're a lovely feature to the house. They actually look like they match everything. Again, we have lovely wardrobes here, Italian style, great lighting in this house. We have another bathroom over here, guys, with a rose gold finish in this one. The builders have really thought about this. Actually, guys, it's a lovely walk-in finish, and they've always put these recessed shelves in here, so you don't have to put any finicky little items stuck onto the wall. You just put them right onto the shelf. Lovely. Now follow me to the 4th floor, guys. We've got 2 more lovely bedrooms right here. We've got some bedside lights already all done. Lovely lighting up here. As you can see, the air conditioning, heating systems also done. We've got some great Velux windows out here. Lets plenty of light. And another feature for this house, actually, guys, I want to show you something hidden. I wonder if you know what this is. Let me know in the comment section if you can guess. But for those of you who are sticking around, this is actually a mega flow system. We haven't just thought of a little combi boiler downstairs. A house of this magnitude and size of 4 floors, it requires a lot of pressure for that water to be flowing. Last thing you want is a shower head which is hardly giving you any water. This system, although it costs you £15,000 to £20,000, it makes sure that every single shower in this house and water pressure is giving you the right pressure. And I've got one more thing that you can't actually see, but if you look from this angle, check out the size of that window. Guys, it's nearly the whole size of the landing. That is expensive, that's for a start. But not only is that, it lets a lot of lighting in, not only to this floor, but the floor below. And the last thing you want is a dark corridor that you're coming up, because when it's nice and light, it brings so much more space to the place. And we've got another bedroom here. Again, we've got a Velux window up there. We've got some wood sash windows here. So let me know what you think about this project, guys. We've tried to refurb this at the high end because we've got a high clientele around this area, which has a high demand for these types of houses. We've tried to put all of the right decors, the right expensive feels in this place. So let me know if you'll do anything different. And before you leave, don't forget to smash the like button, leave us a comment, and share this with someone who needs to see it. Peace.